At Cbus, we know most of you are still working harder than ever, and so are we. My name is Kristian Fok, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Cbus. I wanted to take some time to answer 3 of the questions most asked by you. Firstly, I would like to reassure everyone that whilst the whole of Cbus, including the investments team, are working from home, we are still fully operational. While we've had to adapt to different ways of working very quickly, our systems are working and the focus we have on managing members' funds hasn't changed. At the end of March, like many other countries, the Australian share market was almost 30% lower than the all-time high in February. Along the way, we've seen significant ups and downs daily as markets react to what's happening in the world. In response to COVID-19, there have been significant and quick policy changes from the Australian Government and Reserve Bank, as well as governments and central banks around the world. This support will cushion, but not completely stop, the economic impact of the country self-isolating and businesses being forced to close their doors. For you, our members, if your account is invested in an option that has shares like the growth option, you will see fluctuations reflected in your account balance. This is something that every super fund and members are seeing. It's not just Cbus. Everyone is in this together. In one word, yes. We're here for you now through the current crisis and will continue managing your super and retirement incomes into the future. You may have heard the term liquidity being used. Liquidity is the fund's ability to convert other types of investments into cash quickly. My team is watching and managing Cbus's liquidity position every single day. We're currently holding more cash than usual and have a plan in place should we need to sell investments like shares or fixed interest to access more cash. If you're out of work or have a significant reduction in income, along with the JobKeeper and JobSeeker payments, you can access 2 lots of $10,000 from your super account if you really need to. The first window starts in late April, with the second in July. You can apply for both by submitting an application to the ATO through MyGov. Remember, withdrawing cash from super is a big decision, especially when account values have fallen. You can think about it the same way as selling a house you own. The value of your house can go up and down a lot over time, but you don't lose money on it or lock in a loss until you actually sell it. Our advice team can help with your options. When markets really improve or rebound depends on things like how long it takes for COVID-19 to be contained across the world, allowing countries to lift lockdowns so that manufacturing and trade can resume. At this point, nobody can really say when that will be. It's likely we will only start to get a clearer picture sometime later in the year. We are closely watching what's happening in Australia and around the world every day. The way markets behave is they often respond positively to good news, but can then fall again just as quickly. We've seen this in late March, when markets reacted positively to the significant government policy announcements. What we do know is these restrictions will end at some point and the economy will be looking for investors. We believe there will be good investment opportunities in property, shares, and other assets that will lift members' account balances over the long term. I would like to reiterate that Cbus is here for you. We're in it for the long term and invest only in the best interests of our members. For now, this means we are holding on to more cash than usual to make sure that if you need to take your cash out of your super and to make it through this challenging time, your money is available. Just remember that taking money out of super now could have a significant impact on your retirement balance and income in the future. We're here to help you. There's a lot of information available on our website, and you can call us if you need to speak with someone directly. Thank you.